Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Proformance Unlimited. It's a Monday morning. No better way to start out than have your first motor on the dyno for the week and run flawlessly. Happens to be one of our 347 425 horsepower packages. Gorgeous, gorgeous motor. Ran fantastic. Customer chose a blue block with a blue oil pan, black wires, a nice full boat March system on here, Ford Racing valve covers. We got a black MSD distributor in here, a 750 Holly carburetor with an electric choke. The thing just got done making 438 horsepower and some fantastic torque numbers, which I forgot. But you'll watch the video and you'll tell me, hey, who builds the best motor on the internet? We do, Proformance Unlimited. Check us out, give us an order, we'll be happy to fulfill it. Peace. This will be our 425 horsepower 347. Gonna fire it up, give you a run demo. That's the way all motors should be starting. Perfect idle, beautiful oil pressure, AFRs are right on the money. Let's give it a pull of 5,800.